Wouldn't you love to have your name up on the silver screen, your music guiding people's emotions as they watch a movie? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started in my new course, The Beginner's Guide to Film Scoring in Logic Pro X. Hi, I'm Johnny Armandri, founder of soundtrack.academy and composer for Moving Image. I'd like to help you get started in composing music for film. This course is aimed towards beginners and focuses on both the technical and creative aspects of soundtrack composition. We begin by taking a look at the equipment you'll need and how to get Logic set up and your movie imported. Then we'll explore the best ways to think about instrumentation, how to compose melodies and harmony, and add musical development. As we move towards the production stage, I'll show you how to record live instruments and improve your MIDI instruments before we move on to mixing, mastering, and exporting your audio all synced up to the movie. Whether or not you add the end card with your name on it is up to you. Perfect for hobbyists and those wanting to get started in music for Moving Image, we'll actually be creating an original piece of soundtrack music as we go through the course. Maybe you have some home videos that you want to liven up, or you and your friends want to create your very own short film with original music. This is the perfect starting point for you. Of course, I hope you'll be 100% happy with the course, but if for whatever reason it's not the right fit, a 30-day money-back guarantee is included, so you've nothing to lose. Sign up now and I'll see you in the course.